Hello, so today I'm going to rate all the EAS alarms. Number 1, Afghanistan. Maybe a 5 out of 10. It sounds like some I don't know, like some screaming child. No, some child that is like suffering. Albania. Why is it beeping? -1 out of 10. What is this? Algeria, I think. It 6 out of 10. Sounds like a horn. Maybe. Well, I don't know what this is. But I'll give it like a 7 out of 10. Maybe. Is this Angola? Wow, is that a knife? Maybe. I don't know. Beep, 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 boop, boop. I don't know out of 10 because I don't know what to rate this. Argentina. 9 out of 10. What was that? The flag. This flag. Oh my god. That is so loud. Oh my god. Why does it have to be this loud? This country, whatever it is. I don't know, out of 10, cause it sounds like someone. Ooh! Minus 100 out of 10. Why is there US EAS alarm in the background? Australia. 10 out of 10. Oh my god. Is this Peru or Austria? Austria. I don't know what to rate this. 100 out of 10. What is this? Ooh! Oh my, someone broke their car. Is this the Bahamas? 1 out of 10. It sounds like a horn. No, not really. Yeah, it's a horn. Yeah, a horn. A very high pitched. Is this Bahrain or Qatar? Bahrain. Maybe it gets a 3 out of 10. 999,000 out of 10. Oh my, this hurts my ears. Not really. Oh, what is this country? I forgot. Whatever. This country. 5 out of 10, cause it sounds like some attack in some games. Belarus. Beep, beep, beep. Out of 10. Belgium. -1 out of 10. Car skid. This country. Whatever it is, it sounds like it sounds like a. Maybe a 4 out of 10. Bhutan is Maybe a 4 out of 10 too. What is this? What's the next one? It sounds like a screaming guy. But like Bosnia and Herzegovina. Why do you sound like a screaming man? 900. No. 10 out of 10 maybe. Botswana. Beep beep. Beep beep beep. Beep out of 10. Brazil. 9 out of 10. 9 quadrillion out of 10. Oh my god. You're going to Brazil just to hear this. And what is this country? Arabic country. Maybe I'll rate some others. Bulgaria. 9 out of 10. Help me, I can't sleep. Is this Morocco? Oh. Wait. Whatever country this is it gets a 999 out of 10. What was that sound? This country. I don't know what to rate it. Maybe 100 out of 10. Oh my. Wait. What is this one? Oh my, that's pretty creepy. Cause I already a 7 out of 10. Maybe. I don't know what to say more. Oh my god. Why does this sound like a traffic? But in the background here, then like, is that Cambodia? Intense swearing. Intense swearing. Wow, I got intense swearing still. 999 out of 10. Stop swearing. That's why I give you a high rating. Canada. That's pretty scary. Maybe like a 6 out of 10. This country. Wait, was it Democratic Republic of the Congo? What was that sound? Romania. Why is there the US alarm in the background again? What? It's not even Romania. I'm stupid. Chile. Oh no, some alien is ready to attack the planet and kill all of us with a knife. 900 out of 10. China. 60 out of 10. Oh my god. What is this? Cocos Island. Alarm. 10 out of 10. Cause I can wake up. Colombia, whatever. Comoros. Skull out of 10. I don't know what to rate this thing. Okay, bye.